So today, I'm going to be teaching you how to make a smoothie. So first, you're going, if you have this, you can get these, and then get something kind of like this, and I want you to scoop these up and put them into this cup. And then when you're done, put this up, and then get the almond milk, and then pour some of that in. Okay, now we're going to add this. I'm going to find it for a second. Okay, so it seems like a brand new bottle. I can't open it. Okay, guys, so look how good this looks. Okay, I'm going to add this and squirt it all in. Squirt it all over it. There we go. Now we're done with that. Okay, and now I'm pretty sure we're done. And that's it. But all we gotta do is blend this up. So now we're gonna put this on. Okay, guys, I'll be right back. I just gotta get a little bit of help putting this. Okay, guys, now it is on. Now we're gonna put this onto here, and then we're going to blend the smoothie. Okay. Is all right? There you go. Now we're gonna blend. Okay, guys, it's done. Now we're gonna take this out. Okay, there we go. Now we got it out. I'm gonna get a cup. Cup to cover it. Now I have my cup. We're going to try this smoothie.
Next to Simone.
Okay, so can you help me? Let me help. Okay, guys, I can't wait to taste it. And the reason why I have 2 cups is because I'm making one for my sister, 2 cups for my sister, and this one's for me. So I'm gonna pour it in. Pour it, pour it, pour it. Pour it, pour it, pour it. I'm on a lot of it. I got a little bit left. So now we're going to go over here and get me and my sister's reaction to this. I like blueberries. You don't like blueberries? Yeah. I'm here.
It's only a tiny bit. You can't taste it.
Just a smoothie. Come on. So now, first I want to see your reaction, okay? Because I made this all for myself. Let's see the reactions. Let's see. Drink it. Drink it. All right, 2 first. Hurry up. What do you think? Good. Is that super good? Okay, now we're going to see if I like it. That is so good, and it's so sweet. I love it. Could you put a little sweet stuff in there? Yeah. But I think I'm going to need to mix a little bit of the sweet stuff up because it's just like all over the place. It feels like. Bye, guys.